Listen, you need to be careful with these. 2 weeks on and 2 weeks off. We're talking about an antibiotic, antifungal, antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory. Yeast, candida, sinus infections, bacteria infections, colds, flu, skin conditions, even gut health and parasites. If you don't believe me, go look up all the benefits of oil of oregano. You have to make sure that you get the one with black seed oil, because black seed oil is a carrier oil and it multiplies the benefits. Make sure you're getting the one from the brand Micro Ingredients. They're on a flash sale right now. I'm going to link these below.